Hello ClickChauffeurs! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to export your bookings from the ClickChauffeur platform. This process will help you manage and analyze your data efficiently. Let's get started from your dashboard. First, navigate to the ClickChauffeur dashboard and then click on this Reports button on the top right of the screen. Next, select your preferred export format. Click on CSV to export your bookings in a format that you can open and view in Excel or Google Sheets. Once you've selected the format, the system will generate the file for you to download. And that's it! You've successfully exported your bookings from ClickChauffeur, allowing you to manage and analyze your data more effectively. Remember, exporting your bookings regularly can help you keep track of your business performance. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Keep your data organized and your business running smoothly.